In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect the Jira to N8N. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is head on over to N8N and sign into your account. From here, we need to go ahead and click on Create Workflow. Now from here, we can go ahead and give this workflow a name. So I'm just going to call this Jira. Then where it says add first step, click on the plus icon, search nodes, search for Jira, and then here it is here, Jira software. So now we can choose any triggers. I'm just going to choose this trigger here for this demonstration on comment created. From here, when it says here webhook URLs, under that credentials to connect to Jira. So go ahead and click on the drop down menu and click on create new. Now we're on this new pop-up, so it will say here connect using cloud, server self-hosted, or server self-hosted here. And then from here, put in your name, your API token, and domain. Then once you've done that, go ahead and click save, and then that's how you connect Jira to N8N.